Hello guys, are you getting no matches found in your Fall Guys game? Whether you might be playing PS4, PS5, Xbox or Nintendo Switch. Even right, if you're choosing these show selectors like solo show or squad show. If you are not able to find the matches, you can easily fix it. So that's what I'm going to explain. You can select all these matches also and try. And if you want to try only solo show, that also you can try it. So going back, and here right we need to go to the settings, so tap the settings. So here come to options. First thing we need to check under gameplay that we should be enabling this cross-platform matchmaking. By default the cross-platform will be enabled. Just verify in your console or PC whether it is turned on. If it is turned off, right, you need to enable it. Next thing, go to region. Try to change the server region according to your country. So for example, by default, the server region is automatic. If you are from UK or US, right, you can change that. Use D-pad on your controller. Example, if you are from Australia, choose Australia. If you are in Europe countries, just choose Europe. And if you are in India and the Middle East, choose that. So Japan is there, Korea, South America, US Central, US East, US West. So change that. For example, I'm going to change that to South America and tap X button to save it. Automatically it will be saved, and going back, and now I'm going to verify and trying to play the solo show. It's looking for players. So that's it friends. I am able to find the players for Fall Guys. So that's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedback in my video forms. Thank you and bye. Take care.